Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and today a detailed TA for Bitcoin. And the big question is now, guys, is crypto winter here? We will check this now. So here we are, and the big question is now, is this the crypto winter or will we see a nice leg to the upside? And we will check this now together in this update, not a 5-minute tour update today. This is a detailed TA for Bitcoin, so a longer video. Please enjoy it and I hope you are happy with this. So guys, the sharp drum from 60,000, the arrival of the infamous death cross. Yes guys, I showed you the death cross since weeks, and yes, we saw the death cross. The bad news coming out of China, yes, they are really bad about mining and so on. The lack of the institutional appetite seems to be acting together to maintain a bearish mood in the markets and laying the groundwork for a brutal cold crypto winter. So okay, let's check this, guys. Enough of this stuff, we will check this now together, what's going on with Bitcoin. And this is now Tradingview, the overview. This is the 1-day time frame, and on the 1-day time frame we can see here, very interesting, we have a sell. We have a sell on summary for the indicators. We have the moving averages, they are telling us strong, sell your Bitcoin, and the oscillators are neutral. So guys, this is a really bad thing about Bitcoin. This is a overview of the indicators, and on the daily you can see sell, strong sell. On the weekly we have also here on the summary a neutral. The moving average on the weekly are telling us sell and the oscillators are neutral. And on the months, only on the months, on the big time frame, this is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. So okay, buy, sell, what now? We will check this now in this TA. Let's start with this, guys. This was the video from yesterday. Every day I make a little 5-minute turbo update for you, and this was my turbo update from yesterday. Yesterday I told you guys this triangle, if we will break out to the upside, this would be a really nice trade about 33,000. This is the middle line, and if we will break down, also a nice trade to the downside. If you are shorting 28,000, this is the Fibonacci, and yes, we saw a really nice breakout from here from the triangle and a really nice trade. Congratulations to all who make this trade, who made this trade. And I told you guys we are in this little uptrend and but now this is not so important for us. We are checking more the bigger time frame, guys. This is more important. Let's check the daily. Let's check the daily time frame, and this is the daily. Every candle here is 1 day, and we see here the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point here to the lowest point here down. And you can see we are acting between this Fibonacci 42,000 on the big time frame and this Fibonacci 28,000. This is the big time frame. We are going sideways between these two Fibonaccis for the moment. If you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see we are between this 37,000 and 28,000. This is going sideways for the moment, and this is also nice to trade, guys. I know a lot of guys are telling me, oh, sideways is boring. No, it's not boring. You can buy low, you can sell here high, you can buy low again, you can sell high. This is nice for trading, so you can make money. This is very nice. In a parallel channel, it's always nice to trade, guys. Okay, but now let's check the bigger thing, and this is, in my opinion, really important. Let's remove all drawings. Let's watch these candles. And if you're watching this, guys, I told you since long time, attention, shoulder, maybe a big head, and we are forming maybe the next shoulder. And guys, it's so important now, this trend line, this line from here over here to here. We saw a spike under this trend line here, but not a confirmed closing candle. And guys, I told you every time we need confirmed closing candles. This is the daily time frame, and if we see a confirmed closing candle under this trend line, this would be a short position. This would be a really nice short position for the downside for Bitcoin. And I told you also, guys, if we are going down from here, this will be a really big bad thing here. This will would be really a crypto winter, in my opinion. Maybe a washout also, and then a leg to the upside, but it's a big thing to watch this, in my opinion, here. Let's check the indicators. Let's check the MACD. What is telling us the MACD on the daily? The daily is bearish. You can see the blue line under the brown line, and we are building here red candles. Not a really big volume here for the moment, and little candles here, but we are for the moment on the daily bearish. What is telling us the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Let's check this here, and we are on 44 points. The interesting stuff for the RSI is, in my opinion, this one here, guys. A line from this highest point here over this here to the downside, like this here. And we saw here rejection from this here, from this point here again. And now maybe this is the next point. So we have to watch on the longer time from here, the RSI, because we have a little space to the upside. Maybe we can go up a little bit more here. I think maybe to 35,000 it's possible, but I think there is the next big rejection here, because we have here a big resistance line. This is this line here. You know, resistance line is always a red one. Sorry, this is the red resistance line. The next thing we can check, guys, from the downside for RSI, we have also a nice line. This is a support line, and you can see we are forming a triangle. Support line is always a green one. We are forming here a triangle for the RSI, and this is very interesting. We will break down on the triangle, bad, really bad. If we will break up, really nice. We have to watch this, and this is on the daily time frame, the one of the important things now. The EMA ribbon, what is telling us the EMA ribbon? Let's check this also, and you can see short since 53,000, a red ribbon band going down, a fight again with the ribbon band here on 41,000, a fight with the EMA 200, this is this yellow line here, and then down again to our trend line, nice rebuy, fight again with the ribbon, lost the fight here, down again. So guys, this is a really interesting stuff. It's really interesting for trading, because you can buy on the baseline, sell on the EMA 200, buy again, sell again, buy again, sell again. So you can make money with this sideways going. You cannot lose so much money if you are making it with stop losses. This is not the baddest thing for trading, guys. A sideways is not the baddest thing for me as a trader. It's easier to trade as a big move to the upside, because if you see a big move to the upside, you always watch, oh, it's too late to go in, wait a little bit, oh, the next big move to the upside, too late, I will watch again, and so on. This is, for me, not so easy to trade. For me, easy to trade is this sideways going parallel channel here. Okay, that's the bigger picture here for the 1-day chart. Let me check one thing, guys. I will like to show you the indicator. What's for me also very important, this is the candlestick pattern. And this candlestick pattern, this is a really nice thing. Here is, let me check where it is, the identified candlestick patterns, this point here. And let's zoom in a little bit, and you can see some interesting stuff here. We saw here the bearish harami. A bearish harami is mostly a sign for a downgoing Bitcoin, a very nice point for a sell or a short. We saw a bullish harami. This was a really nice sign for a breakout to the upside, but then we saw a downgoing. So this was a fake. It was not easy to trade this, and it's not always 100% working. But we saw here the next bullish harami to the upside, a nice rebuy point, and now it's going sideways. So I'm looking always on this, and not only on this, but I use this indicator always to watch, is this now a bullish harami, a bearish harami? You know it with a big wick to the downside. It's mostly a nice sign for a nice upgoing Bitcoin here, big wick to the downside and the upgoing. Here, big wick to the downside, upgoing. Here, big wick to the downside and up a little sideways. So mostly you see, if you see this big wicks, it's for the most time a nice sign to trade to the upside or also to the downside. If you're going back a little bit, if you see big wicks here to the upside, it's mostly a sign for downgoing Bitcoin. So, okay, this is now the daily chart. For the daily chart, it's not so nice. Let's remove all this stuff again. Let's check this here, and we can make something on the daily chart. This is the big downtrend. Yes, we are in a big downtrend for sure. This is not the best thing. This is this downtrend. The downtrend is always a red one, and you can see we are fighting here with the middle line. The middle line is the resistance here, a little breakout, and now it's a resistance again. In my opinion now, guys, we have another stuff to watch. This is this line here. This is also a downgoing resistance line, a red one, and this is our resistance. So you can see this line is very interesting. We need now on the daily time frame a breakout here from from this, a breakout from this resistance line over this resistance line, and the next thing a breakout over this blue dot line here. So we need to break about, let me check the target, that's very important, today or tomorrow. We need to break 35,200 in my opinion. This is really important. We need a confirmed breakout over this to see a growing Bitcoin, to see a leg to the upside. For the moment, we are building lower highs. This is not good. You can see it here. Here was the high, here was a higher high, here was the lower high. And we are building higher lows. This was a low, and this is the higher low. Lower lows. Sorry, guys. Lower lows. This was the lower low. So this is the daily. Now let's go deeper. Let's go into the 4 hour. The 4 hour is this picture. The 4 hour chart, every candle here is 4 hours. And we have the same thing. Yes, we have the same resistances, we have the same middle line, we have the same downgoing channel. But look on the downside, we have the MACD. And this nice little leg to the upside is a bullish one. We saw the break here for about 4 hours. This was the bullish turn, the blue into the blue line over the orange line or the brown line. This was a bullish breakout for the MACD. It's now bullish. We are building green candles. Yes, guys, today is Sunday. Most Sundays are bloody Sundays, so I'm not very amused. I'm not trading this for the moment. I'm waiting here a little bit. It's, in my opinion, not so easy to trade here, this upgoing leg here. But guys, we can make another stuff here on the 4 hour. We can see this line is also very important because we saw a wick to this point here. We can make a line here for the highest point and this point. And you can see maybe we are now going up with this leg about to 34,000. It's possible to see a rejection here from this red resistance. And the next stuff is very important. This is the EMA ribbon. And the EMA ribbon is this red one, short position since this point here, a red ribbon band here. And we are fighting now on the 4 hour, very interesting, with the ribbon band. We saw a breakout over this. Now we are fighting again with the ribbon band. And on the downside, we can make another line here. This is the support line from the deepest point over this point to this point. This is our green support line here. So, and you can see we are forming here a triangle. We are forming here on the bigger time frame a triangle, and this is very interesting for us to trade. I will show you this on the next time frame. I will show you this on the 1 hour time frame. We can check the candles on the 4 hours. It's not so easy with the candles, but we can check it also. And the next stuff is here. We saw here a bullish harami, really nice, and an upgoing price here. Here was the bearish engulfing with a downgoing price, now a bullish harami and an upgoing price. This is very interesting. Here also bearish, downgoing, bullish. Now we're going to the upside. So guys, if you're watching this, if you see here the next bearish engulfing, maybe on this point, 34,000, it's maybe the next time for the next short position to go out of the trade. If you're in the trade here, I missed it. I slept here. It was too, oh yes, okay, I slept here. So, okay guys, this is the 4 hour chart. What is telling us the next stuff? We don't need the candles here anymore. The next stuff is the RSI on the 4 hour chart, relative strength index. And you can see we are on 52 points, not overbought, not oversold. Okay, everything is fine here. Everything is okay. Not interesting for me. Let's remove it. Okay, now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. This is it. We had a red ribbon band. We have still a red ribbon band, but you can see it's turning now here to the upside. And maybe if we can stay over this red ribbon band, we will see a green one. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Every candle is 1 hour. MACD bullish, blue line over the brown line. Ribbon band, nice. We broke it to the upside, confirmed on the 1 hour. This is not bad, but you can see 34,000. This is our resistance. And also look at this line, the yellow line, the EMA 200. It is on 33,700. This is also here a big resistance. We saw here a breakout, a try breakout, a false breakout, whatever, down again. Now it's very important what's going on here on the upper side of this triangle. And yes, this triangle on the 1 hour time frame is now one of the interesting stuff here, in my opinion. This is one of the interesting things now to watch. And we have I think I can show you guys. It's let me check. It's in my opinion this line here. So we have from the downside a line from this point to the upside to this point. This is our nice try. So guys, if we will break out maybe on this position here, depends always where we will break out of this triangle, we have a really nice next target to the upside. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's remove this nice Da Vinci drawing here. Let's remove this also. BITI Da Vinci is not drawing so nice. And this is our target to the upside if we will break out from this triangle, maybe around 42,000, 41,900. This is our target. If we can break out from this point here, this would be really nice. And one thing we can check, this was this spike to the upside. And if we check this with a line here, you can see it's measuring really nice here with our breakout. This is the next resistance because of this highest point here. And that means, guys, our target is here, maybe on 31,300. This is a really nice trade if we will see a breakout to the upside. We can measure this trade here, and let's watch. This trade is about 23%, guys. This is really nice trade if we can break out this triangle to the upside. But guys, you know it's also possible to break out a triangle to the downside. And we will check this now with this line to the downside. Depends always where we will break down, maybe here or maybe here. We have a price target about 22,000. So guys, this is the next big thing to watch here on the 1 hour time frame, the triangle breakout to the upside or to the downside. A lot of guys are telling me, oh, we are in the winter, in the crypto winter, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Yes, possible, but it's also possible to see a nice leg to the upside for all shorters and then to the downside. So why not 41,000 now and then 22,000? It's possible, everything is possible. I can only show you my possible targets because of TA and not my wishes. My wish is 1 million for Bitcoin, but that's a wish. Okay, guys, that's this stuff now. Let's check. The MACD is bullish, yes, for sure. It's the blue line over the brown line. Let's check here the indicator next, RSI. And you can see, and this is interesting now, really interesting. We are nearly overbought here. We are on 63 points, nearly overbought. So from the RSI, if you are watching the RSI, this is now the highest point. We can make a line from here to here. You can see it. We are acting on this resistance line. And if we watch this here, it's not so nice here for a triangle breakout. Maybe we are going down again, retesting 30,000 here. Maybe we are going down to retest this 29,900, 30,000 point, and then a leg to the upside. It's possible, but I think it's not so nice for the moment for a breakout. It's bloody Sunday. Most Sundays we saw they were bloody, and it's not so easy for me to see here a breakout today, maybe tomorrow, but today I'm not so happy with this. But I'm watching this on the 1 hour time frame. You can see it on the RSI on the downside. So, and now let's go very quick here into the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, we can see also here overbought RSI 73 points. Now it's going down a little bit with 60, a little place to the upside. MACD is for the moment bearish. The blue line is still under the brown line, so maybe we're going down from here. Maybe we see no cross here. It's very interesting, but we are not building here more and more red candles. You can see it here for the MACD. And yes, guys, that's the big picture. My trade I showed you at the beginning of the video was this one. This was the triangle. We formed here a triangle from this point, and we formed also here a triangle from this point over this point. And we broke this triangle to the upside. This was a really nice trade. And yes, I am still in the trade as long as we are over this ribbon band. Everything is okay. We saw a spike down, spike down. As long as we are over the green ribbon band, I am in the trade. If we will go down, I will make a stop loss and I'm out of this trade. We have a really nice support on the 50-minute chart. This is the yellow line here, and this is on 32,300. So it's possible to go down to here, and then the next leg to the upside. We have to watch this, guys. So, but this is now the detailed TA for the next hours, next days maybe, and I think you know everything you need to know here. Guys, this is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is my Bitcoin Trading Informant channel. You have all here you need for trading: buy signals, sell signals, ribbon band, MACD, Fibonacci line, all time frames here. The 5-minute chart. Here's the 1 hour chart. Here is the 1 minute chart. Here is the 15-minute, the 4 hour, and here on the downside is the daily. Here you can see the sideways going channel. Here you can see the triangle. Here you can see the parallel channel. Short since this point here with the ribbon band. And the last signal here was the sell signal on the daily. Now all guys are waiting for a buy signal on the daily. This is all you need for trading. This is live 24 hours. Please join my channel here on Twitch and on YouTube. Good morning, John Fredericks. He's writing over YouTube to me here. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you just the best. I wish you make millions. It doesn't matter if you go down or if you go short or if you go long from here. I wish you make millions, guys. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And special greetings out there to my boss of the channel on the upper right side. He's subcritical. Special greetings here to subcriticals. And guys, have a nice time. I hope we see us on the next video. And please leave me a thumbs up if you like my TA. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Yours BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.
System activated.